Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are going to tackle a common skin issues that many of us face: blackheads, whiteheads, and open pores and blemishes. I know how frustrating this can be, especially for our ladies in their mid 30s and to mid 20. So I have come up with a DIY face scrub and mask that will help you get 100% rid of this skin problem. So guys, first let's talk about what cause these issues. First of blackheads, well, they are small bumps that appear on the skin when hair follicles become closed with oil and dead skin cells. The reason they are called blackheads is because the surface of the bumps looks dark or black. So why do they happen? These are a few reasons. One is genetics. Some pupils are just more prone to getting blackheads than others. Another reason is hormones, particularly during puberty, when our bodies are producing more oil, and finally not properly cleansing your face can lead to a buildup of oil and dead skin cells, which can cause blackheads to form. So guys, I have an amazing DIY face scrub that will help you get rid of blackheads, whiten and open pores. All you need are some simple ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. First, we are going to start with Suji. Suji is a great exfoliator that will help remove dead skin cells and unclog your pores. It's perfect for getting rid of those pesky blackheads. Next, we are going to add some coffee grounds. Coffee is not only great pick me up in the morning, but it also has amazing benefits of your skin. The caffeine is coffee help tighten your skin and reduce the appearances of open pores. Now let's squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. Lemon is a natural astringent that will help control oil production and brighten your skin. It's also packed with vitamin C, which will give you a healthy glow. Lastly, we are going to add a spoonful of honey. Honey is a natural antibacterial agent that will help fight acne causing bacteria. It also incredibly moisturizing, so it will leave your skin feeling soft and supple. Now that we have all our ingredient, let's mix them together until they form a paste like consistency. You can adjust the quantities based on your preference, but remember to always do page taste before applying it to your face, entire face. And once your scrub is ready, gently massage it into your damp face using circular motion, and focus on your area where you have blackheads or whiteheads. The Suji and coffee ground will exfoliate your skin, while the lemon juice and honey work their magic. After about 5 minutes of massaging, rinse off the scrub with lukewarm water. You will instantly notice how smooth and refreshed your skin feel. Remember to always moisturize after using any scrub to keep your skin hydrated, and don't forget to use sunscreen during the day to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. So there you have it. It's a simple and effective DIY face scrub to get rid of blackheads, whitehead and open pores. Give it a try and let me know how it worked for you. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. If you have not just subscribed yet, make sure to do so for more beauty and lifestyle hacks. Stay beautiful and see you in the next video.